Hello, welcome guys. So you want to save all your stickers with just one click? Well, you're in the right place. So let's get started. The first thing to do is open the Mix File Explorer application. I've left the link in the link description below. So once you open your Mix File Explorer application, look for a folder called FM WhatsApp. In my case, I'm using FM WhatsApp because I'm using the FM WhatsApp application. Probably in your case, you are using you are using original WhatsApp. So look or locate for a folder called WhatsApp. If you are using your WhatsApp, look for the folder called your WhatsApp. Okay, so I open FM WhatsApp and then media, and then locate the folder called FM WhatsApp stickers. In your case, if you are using original WhatsApp, look for WhatsApp media and then WhatsApp stickers. If it's your WhatsApp media and then your WhatsApp stickers. Okay, I've located my FM WhatsApp stickers since I'm using FM WhatsApp. Now the next thing to do is just click on this X icon. That's the third icon on the right. Just click on it. Once you click on it, now swipe to the right. It automatically creates a new directory, and now click on the first icon again on the right, the first icon, and then click on the icon that appears. Probably it might show as #1. Okay, so once you click on that icon, it automatically pastes the FM WhatsApp stickers folder in the internal storage directory. Okay, that's not all. This is just the first part. Let's continue. Now open the first application, which is the personal sticker application. It's also in the link below. Once you open the personal sticker application, look for the folder called FM WhatsApp sticker. If you are using or you move the folder called WhatsApp stickers, it might show as WhatsApp sticker, or probably whatever folder you move to the internal storage. Now just click on the add. Once you click on the add, just select the destination WhatsApp, FM WhatsApp, and then boom, it automatically adds to FM WhatsApp. So let's open our WhatsApp to confirm that it has been added. So yeah, as you can see, the third icon over here indicates that it has been added, but as you can see, there are only about 30 icons in the sticker pack. Well, that's a problem. That's what we'll be doing in the next video. That's the part 2, how to bypass this 30 sticker or 30 icons in a sticker pack limitation. When you click on this FM WhatsApp sticker, you can see that in the red tag over here, it says that only the first 30 stickers are available in WhatsApp. So in the next video, that's the part 2. We'll work on a way to bypass this limitation. I hope you enjoyed this video. Watch out for the part 2. Tata, bye bye.